Yes. Imagine you're eating a piece of jerky. That's what you want. There's several ways that you can smoke meat. What we like to do is make jerky out of it.
I think I remember how to make turkey. I think.
Salt and pepper.
Whiskey. Lame. It smells good.
Really not like to pass on to the kids all of the things we've learned, you know, because it is sustainability.
Whoa. What about it? What's wrong with it?
It's just different.
I can tell.
Blessing. Experience is the best teacher. When we're gone, they'll be able to do it and show their kids.